Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. This isn't just a vehicle. It's your shelter, your transport, and your tiny home all rolled into one. The Trivagabond is a fully electric camper tricycle designed for long-term off-grid living, built with the needs of solo travelers and digital nomads in mind. It combines the practicality of a cargo trike with the comfort of a compact RV. And whether you're parked in a national park, a city alley, or an off-grid forest trail, you've got everything you need right behind your handlebars. First up, the power system. The 2026 Trivagabond is fully electric, powered by a 1500W rear hub motor with pedal assist and throttle mode. It's equipped with a 48V80L lithium battery system, giving you a range of up to 100 km per charge, depending on terrain and load. Charging is flexible. You've got a 400W solar array mounted on the roof of the camper cabin, backed by a charge controller and inverter system that powers not only your ride, but your lights, devices, and even a compact fridge. You can also plug into shore power when it's available, using a standard AC adapter for faster charging. Now let's talk structure. The tricycle's chassis is made from reinforced aluminum alloy with a long wheelbase for stability. The rear houses the camper shell, a custom-built microhome that measures about 2 meters long, 1.2 meters wide, and just under 1.5 meters high. It's insulated with lightweight closed-cell foam, wrapped in aluminum composite panels, and sealed for year-round weather protection. Inside, space is used incredibly efficiently. There's a folding bed that converts into a bench seat, a slide-out table for working or dining, and wall-mounted shelves for your essentials. The floor is marine-grade plywood with a water-resistant laminate, while the walls are lined with recycled fabric panels for acoustic and thermal insulation. At the rear, there's a compact kitchenette with a sink, a fold-down induction stove, and a small electric cooler. Water is supplied by a 10-liter tank with an electric pump and a gray water catch beneath. You won't be making 5-course meals here, but you'll be well fed with everything from simple stews to coffee and oatmeal on chilly mornings. Ventilation is handled by a roof-mounted fan and side vents with insect screens. Windows on either side provide natural light, with blackout curtains for privacy and insulation. And don't forget the fold-down awning, perfect for creating a shaded outdoor space when you're parked for the day. Storage is key in a microcamper, and the Trivagabond uses every bit of space smartly. Beneath the bed platform is a large compartment for gear, clothes, tools, and even a folding chair or two. External panniers on the rear frame add extra cargo space for groceries or heavier items. The front cab is simple and comfortable, with a wide upright handlebar, full digital display, and thumb throttle. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure smooth stopping, even on inclines. And for added safety, the Trike has LED lighting all around, a horn, and turn signals integrated into the rear. Now let's talk about lifestyle. The Trivagabond isn't about speed, it's about freedom. You cruise at 25 to 30 kilometers per hour, soaking in the landscape, meeting people along the way, and finding quiet corners of the world to call your own for a night or a week. It's perfect for slow travel, ecotourism, or just a break from the grid. Whether you're working remotely or just exploring, this trike keeps you powered, sheltered, and mobile with the lowest possible footprint. Maintenance is low, especially compared to gas-powered vehicles or traditional RVs. There are no engine fluids to change, no complex systems to worry about. Just keep your chain clean, your tires inflated, and your battery charged. And because it's a tricycle, not a van, you don't need a driver's license in most places. It fits on bike paths, in campsites, and even some indoor spaces during winter storage. Of course, it's not for everyone. If you need to travel fast, carry passengers, or haul big gear, this isn't the right tool. But for minimalist solo adventurers, it's perfect. It's not about rushing, it's about living with intention. More and more people are asking how to travel sustainably, how to live with less, and how to experience more without the stress and cost of traditional van life. The Trivagabond answers that call. It's cheaper to build, cheaper to run, and far easier to maintain than a van or RV. And it lets you live your life at human speed, where every day on the road feels like a chapter in your own adventure book. So what's next for the Trivagabond? In 2026, we're seeing models with improved solar capacity, modular interior layouts, and even hybrid pedal and sail setups for water crossings. The movement is growing, and it's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift. If you're dreaming of a simpler life, a more connected journey, or a way to combine mobility with sustainability, this might be your sign. A camper trike like the Trivagabond won't just take you places, it'll help you rediscover how to live.